Finally, no one can ruin my day. This is my day, my time to shine. Nothing can possibly go wrong. What the heck is that? Hey, that is not my name. My name is Rich Mixon. Rich Mixon. Mattel, get over here. Yes, you cool? Yeah, I'd like to make a complaint about my, endurance racer release. Yeah. Well, it says Tim Treadless. Oh, so it does. Yeah. My name's Rich Mixon. Is it? Yes. Do you not know that? I mean, everyone knows me because of PCP and that I'm the bad guy. But, I mean, my name is not Tim Treadless. You're trying to make me out to be like a really mean person now. Well, sorry. Hey, well, fix your mistakes, you stupid people. I better not tell him about his Vietnam variant then. What did you say? Nothing. I hope Mattel can't make me any worse. In this video, I'm going to add like a little counter up here. How many times I say Tim Treadless instead of Rich Mixon when I'm not supposed to. When I say it by accident. But yep, anyways, we all know that Mattel make mistakes, and this one is a big one. They seem to have an issue with Rich Mixon and his name because they think that he looks like Tim Treadless. Mattel, he is pink. 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 Not orange. His colour shift paint may look orange, but still, he is actually pink. I don't know what's going on here. Anyways, to get on to this review. Here is Rich Mixon. He's made by Mattel 3+. He's the next gen tank coat racer with the colour shift paint. Pretty cool. Lightning McQueen in his next gen colour shift paint form, I guess. Regular Jackson Storm. Cars logo. 24-hour race endurance. Clock here thingy. On the back, other releases. We got my boy, Ed Drunken. Harder, faster, sleeker. The 24-hour race is on, and the next gen racers are ready to push themselves to the limits. And we can see some other releases. Pretty cool, each sold separately. Made in Vietnam, RSN. Yep, be right back with this guy all opened up. Here is Rich Mixon now, and we don't need to add any pictures of where we've seen, but I actually do love that colour shifting paint. I wish I got more of them now. It looks so bright on camera, look at that. Anyways, pretty cool. Compared him to his regular release, we can see the spoiler is different. That is pretty much it apart from that, of course, because it's the spoiler and made in Vietnam. Quick comparison on the sides before we get on to the review. No rookie stripes because he's not a rookie anymore. Pretty cool. Anyways, we can see tank coat. 36, we can see the colour shifting paint. Unusual expressions. Window bars this time. Pink rims, they could have been like a darker orange or something. I mean, still, he looks more pink than orange. But oh well. Pretty cool, 36. Vietnam usually struggle a lot with the sponsors, but they're getting better. Look, piston cup, compressor cup, and cyber synergy. TC, 36. There's the arrow to indicate the T. This one to lift him up. Reminds me of our videos are not made for kids. We got the fuel cap up here. Light year rims. As the back I did say, no rookies racing stripes. And here is the base, made in Vietnam. Still, figuring out how to work these Vietnam codes. Maybe one day we will. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Not much to talk about with this release. Just that it's an endurance racer and it has colour shifting paint. If you are new, please make sure you leave a like. We're going to bring out the whole team now. Subscribe if you're new. Hit that bell notification down below. And of course, till the next one. Peace, guys.